Yo guys, welcome to Intelligent. Today, back another brand new drone flight. We're in this nice area, and what we're gonna take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
So, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to the max height. And we do 360 photo.
Max altitude.
Right, let's do 360 photo. Alright, so the 360 photo is complete. We're now gonna start recording. As you can see, we see a fast train passing by. Let's follow the train. Let's get a nice shot. Let's get a shot of this area. Let's go down here. Alright, let's start from the back. Let's see what's below. Alright, so let's go to the other side. Got a little train over here, DJI train. Let's get a shot of that as well. Alright. Now let's just kind of get footage. We've got Elizabeth Line train coming here. It's going to come in the shot in a minute. Let's get a shot of that. Alright, so we've got a building over here as well. Let's get an orbit shot of it. Let's go a little bit more forward. Let's get a shot of the buildings over here. Alright, let's start turning back now. Nice shot of the lake below. Got an Elizabeth Line train there again. It's going in the tunnel, as you can see. And it's going underground. Alright, what else should we get shot of? Let's go around this area. I don't know if there's gonna be authorization zone over there.
Approach edge of
Oh, okay, we're in the
authorization
authorization zone. So we can't fly there, unfortunately, because we're near London Stadium, which has a authorization zone. Okay, so let's just carry on getting a static shot of this. So yeah, we can't go anywhere near this area. Let's get a shot of the river. We've got a canal over here. I say river, but it's a canal, so we're gonna get a shot of that as well. I'm gonna go down the canal. We've got a construction site over here as well. Just gonna do an orbit shot. We've got another construction site over here. As you can see, we've got another building here. Let's get a close shot of this as well. Amazing shot. All right, let's go a bit up.
Max altitude reached.
We get a nice shot of coming down here. Right, what other shots can we get? Let's get a shot of this construction site. Gonna get just an orbit shot around it. We're gonna go around it.
Max altitude reached.
Alright, let's start turning back now. Gonna get a close shot of the trains. I don't know what else we can get shots of now. Let's get low down shots this time. Right, so I'm right over here on the bridge, as you can see. Let's get a low down shot of coming down here. You can hear the drone now. I'm gonna rise up as we go. You can see the train over here. Got a fast train over here coming. Gonna get an orbit shot of that as well. Nice shot. Elizabeth line trains. Oh, what other shots can we get? Got a canal down here. Should we go down it? Let's go down this canal. Let's get a shot. Alright. Let's go down this canal. Alright, let's not go too high. We don't want to drown the drone in the canal. So let's just get, I don't want birds to hit the drone, if you know what I mean, because they might get spooked. Right, let's get a shot of down here. Let's get a Alright. What else can we shit? On the train. Going in a tunnel with the Elizabeth line. Of course, we can't go past this way because the authorization's on. Can't go far this way. As you can see, we've got a shot the other side, over here.
Max altitude reached.
What's down here? Let's see. I don't know why it's not focused on this side. Maybe we should have a manual focus. Battery's 30% now. We're going to stay local at this point. Where else can we fly? Let's get an orbit shot of this building over there. So we got this shot already, but we're going to get a better shot this time. Look at that building, it's amazing. That's the best shot we got. Best shot to end off with. Alright, let's start heading back now. 22%. Get a last shot of DLR trains as we descend.
Battery level is low.
Cancel the attempt.
Aircraft will return to the home
I'll
point
get
in
last shot
10
of this
seconds.
train, DLR train. Alright, so that's about it of this drone flight. We've got a bit more battery left. Actually, let's just land it now. We've got nothing else to record, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight. We're going to do much more drone flights like this year. I'm looking forward to it. Let's land on this lamp. Obviously we're not going to land on it, but we're going to see what it's like to nearly land on it. If I hit this, I'm cooked. That's what's on top of the lamppost. No one ever gets a view like this of this lamppost. This lamppost has never seen the light of day.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return
So that's
to the
what's on
home
top of
point in
a
low
lamppost
battery.
in Stratford.
Return to home promptly.
Alright, so we're going to land the drone now. Alright, that was my brand new drone flight. As you can see, City Mill River, it says right here. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this drone flight. It was a really good drone flight, and yeah, speak to you in the next one.